Hey, I don't do unboxing videos, but everybody else seems to have so much fun doing them. I thought perhaps I'm missing out. And then this turned up, and it's been opened already. I can only assume that customs have had a look at this. Stuff for my Honda, which is speedo cable, correct, chain, rear sprocket, and the front. Doesn't actually need those, but I thought I'd get them while they can still be got. Gear lever rubber, clutch cable adjuster, front or back, that's back brake light, front brake light, switch, and a spark plug. Oh, it swizzled me out of the cap. Oh well, I can live with that. So there's nothing to say that customers have had a nose at this, apart from that it's been opened and yeah, it's got this stuff up on top of the blue and white tape, which is the guys who sent it, and it's been over taped with something that looks like cling wrap. But hey, it's all there. So there you go, my first unboxing video. Pacific Cutlery Bosun. Well, they always say what knife they're using. God knows why. Okay, ta-da.